Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your EA account password if you forgot on it. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your web browser and head over to the EA website. Type in ea.com and hit enter to launch the EA website. This is the official website of EA. Now at the top right section of the page, you can see a person's icon. Just click on it and click on sign in. Now it should redirect you to the sign in page. But you don't know your password to signing in. So scroll down a little bit and here you can see an option that says forgot your password. Just click on it. Now put in your email address that is linked to your EA account. Once you put in your email address, scroll down a little bit and type in your CAPTCHA here. After typing in your CAPTCHA, just click on next. Now in order to change the password, EA has to verify your identity first. Now I have put in my phone number, so I have 3 options to verify my identity with. But if you haven't put in your phone number on EA account and only have put in your email, then you will only have one option. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose option 1, which is my email, and then I'm gonna click on send code. Now the code should arrive in your email address. Just go to your email and get the code and paste it in the text box. After putting in your verification code, just click on next. Now in this page, put in your new password. It should be more than 8 characters long and should have at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and at least 1 number. So keep that in mind while creating your password. After you created a new password, just click on submit. After your password has been changed, you will see this screen. Now just click on sign in to your account. Now put in your details in the text box. After you put in your details, just click on sign in to your EA account. As you can see, I have been signed into my EA account. And that's it for today's video guys. If you have any questions, just leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.